Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and then find the apps. They should be on the first position, as you can see. Now we have to tap on see all 38 apps, of course 38 in my case, and now tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. We've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset the preferences for disabled apps and notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.